Hey, welcome to today's video. Today's video is hopefully a quick and easy truck repair. We're going the cheap route. We got ourselves a Ford 2003 F-150 Harley Davidson edition, supercharged. We got a minor repair we got to do. The mirror knob broke off the mirror switch, and there's no way I want to pull this door panel apart to replace that switch. Bought a new switch from rockauto.com. Our goal was to get this knob off this new switch and put it on that original switch. Hopefully we can pull this new knob off without breaking it, because in order to replace this entire switch, that door panel has to come off, and I'm sure the plastic clips on that are junk, and that'll make a bigger mess. We got ourselves a pair of needle nose pliers. We're wrapping the jaws of these needle nose pliers with some masking tape. Doesn't have to be perfect. And we're going to see if we can't get in here. Oh, look at, man, I cannot believe that popped off that easy. Now I checked it, this switch works fine. Oh, it snapped right on there. So in all honesty, this aftermarket switch, it feels cheesy compared to the OEM, the original switch that was in that door since 2003. This left-right switch, it feels like it wants to break. The center position is pretty sloppy. And this switch does not throw left, right, up and down. See, that almost looks like it's already jammed up to where it doesn't even want to go left or right. Just look at that. It'll go right, but it won't go left. Man, I'm glad I didn't take that door panel apart and change that piece of junk. See, this one has a left, a center, and a right. And each detent is very positive. And this switch works really good. Now, or here's the smart part. I bought two of these. In case I broke the knob trying to get it off, I could have another whole switch to change in the door. You can see the difference on how little this thing moves compared to the original. And this one doesn't want to move left either, but it will move right. You know, out of curiosity, I would have to put a ohm meter on that and make sure this switch works. All right, for 10 bucks, I took the easy way out. I wouldn't trust these switches. I think these switches are garbage. I mean, I didn't even get to, I would have to try it. But it throws right way more than it throws left. And they both do the same thing. I wouldn't trust them. For a $10 knob, got it licked, but as a replacement switch, I'd probably have to go. They had one, it looked like OEM, but they wanted 30 or 40 bucks for it. And there's probably a reason why. The repair is done. It was super simple because I bought two switches. Had I purchased one switch, something would have broke and I've been right back to square one. One thing I can say, just from the mechanical feel of this thing and how it behaves without electrically testing it, I would stay away from the ROSTRA powertrain controls. This thing feels cheesy. I only needed the knob. That's why I bought this. This was the cheapest one in the Econo, like $10.46 or something like that. And they went from there and they went higher in price. You kind of get what you pay for. I sure would have hated to take that door apart, put this in and have that switch not work. So if you're gonna need the switch to actually do electrical work, go with a higher quality. Even though this does say OEM. Now, it just says OE approved. Is there a difference between OE and OEM? I might look into that. Well, cheers, a nice cold gin and tonic. The car repair is done. It's blazing hot out here. Now it's time to retire to indoors and make some creamed corn. Went to the corn festival last weekend, bought a case of corn. 54 ears for 20 bucks. We still got about 2/3 of that crate left. Creamed corn and corn fritter time. Well, thanks for watching. Take care. See ya.